By 2050, there will be more than 100 million UX designers working worldwide. So wherever I go, people keep on asking me how to become a UX designer. So here is the answer. Hello everyone, this is Vamshi. I'm a product designer with 3+ years of experience. Today we will discuss about how to become a UX designer in 2025. So before we dive into the video, hit that subscribe button to get more content like this. So basically I've divided this process into 5 simple steps. In step 1, you need to learn about what UI and UX is. UI stands for user interface, UX stands for user experience. In digital world, UI is all about what you see. Text, buttons, layouts, cards, and many more. While UX is all about how you feel. Remember how you felt when you got a cashback on your Google Pay reward? It all comes under user experience. After you get a taste of what UI and UX is, start learning about design principles, laws of UX, user research, user testing, user flows, user journeys, and many more. Check out lawsofux.com and uxins.com to know all of these terms. Links are in the description. After getting a strong basics of what UI and UX is, start learning a design tool. There are 3 design tools that industry uses. One is Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch. Most of the designers and I prefer to use Figma because their user interface is very easy to understand. Even an 8-year-old can learn Figma within 2 to 3 hours. I recommend you to learn Figma from Figma's official YouTube channel. Links are in the description. After you get a hands-on the Figma tool, start recreating the UIs of your favorite app. It may be a food delivery app, it may be a fitness app, it may be any app you use in your daily life. Screenshot the app's user interface and import that into the design tool you're using and start recreating the exact UI with the basics you have learned in step 1 and step 2. While recreating those UIs, ask yourself a lot of questions. Why this button is placed in the right bottom corner? Why notification indicator is always in the red color? Why this business is using this color? And try to Google them and find answers yourselves. Keep doing this exercise for at least 1 month. You will subconsciously learn what good design and what bad design is. And start posting these designs in LinkedIn or Dribbble. You will get some constructive feedback from there. After 1 month of practicing the real world examples, you will have a good understanding of how design actually works. Now it's time to do a mock project. Start searching for the problems around you that can be solved with a digital product. It may be a digital product for pet services if you have a pet. It may be a food delivery app which delivers a high protein food if you are a gym freak. Or it may be anything, any problem you are facing. If you can't find any problems around you, these 2 websites are for you to generate design problems. One is sharpen.design and other one is goodbrief.io. Please check the links in the description. Do at least 2 mock projects so you are ready for the step 5. In step 5, start applying for paid internships. I repeat, only for paid internships. There are 3 reasons why I am telling you to target only for paid internships. Number 1, you will get the internship very easily because the hiring process is different from the full-time job. Number 2, you will not have a lot of responsibilities. You will be treated as absolute beginner and you will get a lot of time to learn from your senior designers. Number 3, you will get a direct job offer if you perform well. Not every internship provides that, but according to NACE, 57.6% of the internships are converted into full-time jobs, which saves the time, effort and energy for the hiring team and the candidate. Wellfound and LinkedIn are one of the best websites to find internships. Please check the links in the description. With that being said, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you found this valuable. Hit that subscribe button to get more content like this and see you in the next one.